Oatmeal fruit cookie mix in a jar. Ingredients: ½ cup packed brown sugar, 1/4 cup white sugar, 3/4 cup wheat germ, 1 cup quick cooking oats, ½ cup dried cherries, ½ cup golden raisins, 2/3 cup flaked coconut, 1 cup all-purpose flour, ½ teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt. Preparation: mix the flour, baking soda and salt together. Starting with the brown sugar, layer the ingredients in a 1-liter sized glass jar in the order given. Ending with the flour mixture. Attach a card with the following directions: oatmeal fruit cookies. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 175 degrees Celsius. Line one baking sheet with parchment paper. Empty the contents of the jar into a large bowl. Using a wooden spoon, blend the mixture until well combined. Using your hands, work in ½ cup softened butter or margarine until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Beat 1 egg with 1 teaspoon vanilla and 1/4 cup milk. Still using your hands or a wooden spoon, blend the egg mixture into the dough until well combined. Drop teaspoon-sized mounds 2 inches apart onto the prepared baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, that is 175 degrees Celsius, for 10 to 14 minutes or until the edges are lightly browned. Place cookies on a rack to finish cooling. Makes approximately 2 dozen cookies.